So for my resource video, I chose to do Text Remind, which is an app. And if you have an iPhone, you can just go to the App Store, which is right here, and type in Text Remind, like so. And the first one that comes up is the one that we are doing. It's called Remind Fast Efficient School Messaging. So I'd already downloaded it just to save some time. So you just go here. Before I say that, what it is a cool way for teachers and students to connect easily. So it's like an app where teachers, without actually having your number and texting you on your actual phone, they can connect in discussions and remind you about projects or about tests coming up, homework due, anything like that. And students can also comment with each other in discussions, asking about homework questions or what homework did they have or stuff, anything like that. So it's a really cool app and very helpful. And the best thing about it is it's free, so it's no cost whatsoever. So that's really awesome and always beneficial, especially for us poor college kids. And so we'll go to it, and it's really easy to sign up for. You just enter your email address, so I'll enter mine as an example. Just take a quick second. And you click next, and then you choose a password. I'm going to delete this after this, so I don't think anybody will get on mine. Okay, and so for this standpoint, I'll say that I'm a teacher, but you can, if you're a student, you click my student, even a parent can be on there, so that's cool, or an administrator. So for this sake, I'm going to say that I'm a teacher, and then put in my name, so. And this even says like what my students would see. Back there it said K.Kelly is what it would show up. And add a class. So let's say we can do reading 490. Act like this is class. And it even says like I will only message students 13 and older. That's kind of funny. Or you have to have parents' permission. And then it asks if you want to get notified about new messages and people, and you can say okay or not. And it also says it can send you locations or notifications just like any other app. So then it tells you how you can turn on the reminders if you just said no, so it's very easy. And then it says connect reading 490 to your school. So say Texas A&M. I don't know if it'll... Okay, we'll skip that. And then it says, is ready, what would you like to do now? And you can add people, go to my class, and this will show all your classes that you have up on there, and like all the people on there. And then this is what the beginning looks like. So you can add people directly right here. You can share a link, maybe like Facebook or anything like that. Send text messages to how to show people how to join. And when you add people, this is where that'll come, like all the students that are added on here. And then these are where the messages be. If you want to type a message right here, and then all the people you have. And then this is how you create your activity. You just click this little up here in the corner, and then the plus. So, and then over here you can create a class or join a class. So basically it is very, very easy and awesome to use. Why I chose this was because Junior Methods, my teacher, used this app, and it was very, very helpful. And she always sent us little reminders on what all the stuff we had due and when it was due, and that probably helped me get through Junior Methods more than anything. So this is really why I chose this, and I chose it as, and I think it can be best used to support teachers in helping their students be more responsible and seeing how they're communicating with each other through the discussion, and it also is just a great way for just everybody to communicate as a class in a whole. And it's just a fast and easy way to communicate when if you forget to mention something in class. It's a great way to be able to talk to your class about it, and just to have a little helper on reminding students what they need to get done when it gets done. That way you can always say, well, I sent you a reminder, like you should have known, and everything else. So it's very easy to use. Again, it is free, and it is awesome, and super simple, and I think it could be very beneficial in classrooms, because I know it was very beneficial for me, and I know some teachers that do still use it. And anyways, so just to recap, it's called Remind, and it looks like this. It can be found in any app store, and it can tell you a lot more in descriptions. Basically, it tells you exactly what I said. You can send individual reminders or whole class reminders. It's very, very handy, I think. And here's some different pictures of how to receive messages from students and parents. So, there's the teacher, there's the students. You can all be in one conversation, or it can just be from the instructor to one single person, or you can add pictures and everything. So I just think it's a really cool app and can be very beneficial in the classroom.